they call Kofi Bo scammer. Who tell you? It's just business where you go wrong. Kofi Bo go switch computer and stop the browse. What do you mean? But it's a world. That is where the world is. When you don't take care, you go do just one wrong business. You just go do one wrong business.
Hey yo. Ghana entertainment industry, me therefore. Hey ya. Enra numre yanka bi anhyem ana Shatta Wale eba live. Me therefore na edioma e course so de pe akonya tena so. Na me boni nyina to fa sesi ade ama. Ebia some of the content creators no too futuro gu ani nyanto wase ma me. Edioma e course so nra no time a Shatta Wale ba live no. Me say na esewani. First thing, obi be busa say Shatta Wale ba life no nipa dodo saying ana na ehwe no. Nipa na ehwe no. Ye share life ni bi de. Ye hu say Shatta Wale ehete. To me o de me hu ye na meka 13.1k. 13.1k. De me hu ye ebi obi hu bro me de na. Ono so ebetimi e de aba comment section oba me hu 13,000 people watching Shatta Wale live and renumere 13,000 people. Metimaka say currently no entertainer in Ghana can go live on TikToker obenya that kind of numbers for now. Okay. Near tosu mienu nie. During the live session no Shatta Wale is soon and in his
God, I Kofi both. Hey Kofi. Hey. Hey. Oh, Joyce, I make sorry, I make sorry. I feel bad, Charlie. If you go Kofi, I know if you sleep, Charlie, man. Joyce, I make sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, I do watch my siblings right now. Like, I do watch them. Like, I the picture of both in kiddies right now. I know they fit.
Wale is soon, yeah. Because, and some na Wale can on. Na a very emotional. And na say, yeah. And some na Wale can on. But therefore, yeah. Na, member se me kasa bebre. Adia bako ana adia chin ye after Shatta Wale live no ma observe. Dientia Ghana entertainment space no eye very weak no. Enra Shatta Wale live no esi ye no adia chin ye. Me hu ade krontia. On say Ghana entertainment space no obia kwaye se o protecting the brand. Enunti akoye anka wo dan a wo se contractor na ni tene ada be ka wo dan no wo se contractor no wo yare koko e wona ni so sa na Ghana entertainment space na koye enye Shatta Wale nkoa na sabi ne investors anasa ne namfofo elivu luxurious life e wo Ghana enye Shatta Wale nkoa ana drive luxurious cars e wo Ghana enye Shatta Wale nkoa ana titi fia kese mu. Most of your entertainers no omu nyina live this kind of lifestyle. Ana media no pick bako use no as a scapegoat. Selling it out. Ama FBI. Ana munya ne se dabi. Enya right se media no be yes enye ne kwan no. Sabi adwuma no mo ye no ho faso ana omu di no. And until the media ni nyai say all tagging say sabi or ye fraud no. Media ni nyai say all ma ne brand ne look it say sabi obi or ye sakawa na say obi a oni sabi frosters eye adwuma. Enra Shatta Wale ntokwa obeko ye nyina no. Me dofo me bone to farmer what ya tentem. Me dofo de na ka efe. Se sabi adwuma mu nyina mo ye no. Encrophobi A2 omani asimuso ama ma ye very unpopular. Ama sabi ade a moyɛ a mo nsa kɔma no munya bi tɔ mo cars fuel ɛde hwɛ mo busua no ma lusi saa ade no na baako si daabi me no mo pɛ sɛ mo use me ɛno nti me ma kwan because so mo nyame a mo a mo ka ho ni nyinaa no mo yɛ mframa ɛno nti no I will stand on my 10 toes and fight these people back. Dear Nankebeye Fese, Adia Chinye. And Kaye creatives, no, any musicians, Nina, pages. Omuba can be Biafa, dear na call when they say, media na, sabi, o two men, yes, entertainers, no, sabi, music no more, yeno, and I say creative art work no more, yeno, sabi, and no name mo live this kind of life. And you ma juma no, a ya juma sabi, o yero hona yen ya, sa brabono, unsubet drew ho, sam pensono, unsubet drew ho. And until say musician be a live luxurious life, Ghana, and on say, or ye fraud, near tossum yenu. So far as some public figures, no, any creative art, a ya juma, sabi ba ye popular, unya na fufu bebre. Ana sabi obi pase, or describe a share juma na, sabi uye ni ma. Unye FBI, unye CID, unye CIA, untimi enko deeper into the source of ebia sikana nipa ne de brono. Wo de ne say obeda nyankopon se o erade me da wase say waka obi akoma oba be support me. Enu nti no say investor bi ba ebe boawa na bi asemi ba akira enu nche say bi investor no ade bi a na oye no osumase no one ne na eye. Ade chinye ebesi nei odofo se me ne wo kasa yi musician ba ko kra ma abonten emme bake ade na Shatta Wale ebe ye no me hu say musician bi aba abonten ebe ye video na say or tweet na say bibi sa I stand to be corrected sabi so obi abaye na me hu ye dia mesrɛ mo tag me but me ankasa me kasa de me fa mani hu bi nemom ade ani se mama ye refi ni mamoma ye mfa ne se Shatta Wale na akoka asem ana se Shatta Wale na enya ne ntoko bi a ɔko se o hwe live ni bia Shatta Wale you see bisa kede situation say one radio station bi etag ni say oye yase musician no se den amana affecting bisa kede.
If you saw they take do Bisakede, they say Bisakede, they sing a yenyum, bam, they spot the boy in career. When Bisakede, they find in ways and he did not in shows. You know how much money Bisakede get? Go employ everybody where they sit for that foolish Peace FM there where they sit there. Foolish people. Make I tell you something. Anybody will go make mistake again. Anybody will go make mistake. We go that stupid Peace FM UTV. Where you go. In fact, see the things I can't talk about despite. Me, I won't go FBI. Cause anybody will go make that mistake again. We could go UTV, Peace FM, those kind of things, and go mention my name for there. The things I will talk about despite. This country will not go hold them. This country like no go hold them. This country like no go hold them. Make somebody make that mistake and come and go that despite in TV station there. And go talk negative about me again. And make despite also say no they see. Despite I know they disrespect you. But since the point of view for that, they tell you constant daddy. Me bupa, my father said me role model. Me dopa, man question sama moya no. So one moment die. Never make it alone. Me show be anymore. Me show be anymore. Me power chopper. I respect you so much. But I say I thought this matter. I thought for this year nobody's over. And it's ongoing. The things I can't see, it will affect all of us.
So who says Shatta Wale nyo no kwa hu na no okoma. Entokwa na Wale kono. Medofo enye for ono kwa personal interest o. Uye musician na. Uka hu bi. Entokwa Wale ko sebi. Opa ya papa despite a chew. Nye se bia unrespected no. Obuni pa. Or any role model. Nemom, the omo the platform no yen the craft and in the career and in the business no. Ompe anu tebaya sabi ya papa any na dwuma efo ne nkasa. Na omunya se omo tanishe ono so no ade e man nsa kona no. Why stock? Oka se asemwe na sabi eno a Wale kan ye no. Empanifo so o pasma ka che nyame a na ka gu mframam. Me ne oka say akodru ye papa despite anim near by any say bia or ne father bekas as a father any dim sabi they are not so cano or dika because Najuma na mo say no. Najuma ana mo say no. And the name so obi ye bibi na obi spreading negative energy around it affecting no. Me ma practical example. Ya papa mo, there was a time every December. Na omuchichi moja ebe chiche nyoma bebre. There is this guy in America, mre finidin. Obeye video se moja no mochichi no mo de kwa rituals dey obeye nyoma tantan. So see enka no kra ha ye papa. Ema me no kasa sade no mo ye ni December no omu jaye because to ono no or ye se be ya ye beja blood bank ewe hospital sa se be obi hia moja obenya bi. Obe use that opportunity no de ache your mama nipa bebre nipa ba kwa nu masem no ojai ni nyina enu negative energy about obi adwuma oye no medofo e will greater impact medofo sa asem we na enu Shatta Wale ba life obeka yo so what is obi ka asem fufuro bi you very careful huh me kind of crutchero dey na efe se adwuma amu nyina mo ye no yes say no na ba ko tu ni won asi wo se ono de ode ne ho ba for de a fight it se be ya mu nyina mu benya respect de na nke be ye fesa ade achi yi we ya tweety ho ye tweety say no media no munya de am ye nua no enye right me say empanifo so okoto se aboa ne si wu nua so a enka nche ne say aboa yi sorry ni so catch aboa ne say sorry yeso wunma de krontia because ofri ne so a empanifo say wodo wode beba moma yenye serious as an industry. I think 2 days ago or so Shelly Frimpong Manson echo Hits FM during the convo no or can say adenti na straw ba ye Ghana for nyina support content creators can want some way share say na mom ono ye Ghana ni no oni ye top notch cast aye adwuma but still won say obi e can want some da we don't support our own on say oye adwuma say be Ghana media space ni supporting no e ha no me therefore me kind of crutch anka odanya Nemo mema remfi say ofri ne so a ode beba wo so eya enwa wale esu nani ni so life na eye ne ya say rade na ifa kwa no mama be pie ya ifa no mama be pie ya eya na se wo akwantuom na opese wo send sika eba Ghana na ope money transfer company papa sabi omo exchange rate e wo soro kese a lemfi se de nyina nim no na no dollar ne pound ne sika no asai ba na eba form but lemfi money transfer de de omo exchange rate no number 1 na anigisem ewom kra ne say o download igu o phone so na o register we your first transaction na o use the promo code and answer referral code Bonah BONAH o send your first $100 and answer first $100 Canadian dollars or ma $20 and answer $20 Canadian dollars back o send €50 or ma 15 euros cash back o send £50 or ma £10 cash back. Therefore, what you are doing? Download the Lemfi, never a good phone so next start enjoy. Biamun so say America na opese o ship America cry free America eba Ghana. Bia opese o di free America eba Ghana. Therefore, edino eba coupe Box Oak Logistics. Ofre Box Oak akacho say and I'm the BonahShow so and I'll tell you monka omonso omecho 10% discount. Ana u free abrochire akọ Ghana na odu Ghana be Kumasi odu Kumasi obepe be bia da ama asoma dwoa Mr. Frey Pcash Properties ni fie ne ho CCTV cameras me do fu ura fie ni interior ana se wo Ghana so na udi animu Mr. Frey Pcash Properties. Offer Pcash and so I catch and say, and I'm the Bonah Show so, and I'll tell Omonka. Omonso no, impre no macho 10% discount. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. I'm out.